For my Palm Beach Garden Party collection, which I also launched in 2016, the colors were inspired by Palm Beach style. So think tropical prints, lilly pulitzer dresses, really bold, feminine, bright colors that totally stand out from the crowd. For the brushes, I just wanted to totally bring the party. There are a number of really enchanting watercolors that mix and blend the colors in really wild and unpredictable ways. There are splatters, big bold daubs of color, and finally I have some confetti-inspired brushes, so it's a lot of fun. And just like my original impressionist collection, these brushes really revolutionize the way that designers and illustrators are able to paint in Photoshop. And it's absolutely amazing to see creators of all levels just be able to pick up a brush and paint in the colors of Palm Beach and create really fun, modern designs and illustrations.